What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of AP Garages.
I'm Patrick.
I'm Austin.
And we gay.
Alright. It's a B20, guys. Straight from Japan. We're gonna start building it soon. You excited to build it?
Yeah. We're gonna turbo this shit. I'm out here bringing you content.
So today we got coilovers from Function and Form.
Yeah, I'm sponsored by them.
Nah, shut up.
JK, bro. I'm sponsored by myself. I sponsor myself.
AK, he pays for this shit.
Ooh. They're already set to a certain height, but I just moved it, so we're fucked.
No, it's fine. You can just lock it in.
Yes. But
is it set preload set from
yeah,
factory?
it's already set.
Okay, so we don't have to do anything of that.
It's just adjusting this and how high.
So each side we're gonna measure
Mm-hmm.
between there with a micrometer and then check the measurements after.
Yep.
See how many inches of drop. Actually, we're not even dropping the car. We're raising the car.
A little bit, not too much.
Yeah.
Because I still want to load, but the thing is that my shocks were like two of them are blown, and so it's just bouncing and everything. It's got worse over time. Ever since I went to the canyon run. When I went to that canyon run, I was going through all these bumps, and I started feeling like it was gone.
That's cool. We're gonna get the rest out later. All right, so before you start, you want to make a game plan. Right now, Patrick's car is like slammed to the ground, and he probably wants an inch and a half or an inch of clearance from the fender and the tire. So we're gonna raise it an inch and a half. Just remember that number in your mind, or write it on a piece of paper if you can't remember it. And then from there, we're gonna take off the wheel, take off the strut, and once the strut's out, we're gonna measure the strut with a tape measure, and then match it up with the coilovers. And from there, we're gonna also add on how many inches? An inch and a half.
See,
It has lowering springs on.
look at all this shit.
Oh shit! Is that
My shot blew. It blew. It was on.
Wait!
Just blowing. You see this?
It's not even loaded properly.
Look at that. It's horrible suspension. I don't think we have to even raise it up. It was just, this thing was just making a slam up and down. Like it was just bouncing
hitting
around.
the bump stop, everything. The shocks aren't even installed correctly.
Yeah.
What Mickey Mouse is this,
The
dude?
springs are not even, yeah, it's pretty bad.
Alright,
We'll fix her up. We'll do the
it's not
front
even
one
attached,
first.
dude.
We'll get the new hardware in. And then we'll continue from there.
So you need a 14, and then a 17. 17 for the bottom bolt, and then 14 for your 2 on the top, and then it should just come off. And then from there, it's gonna...
The shock is connected to the fork, and it's gonna be a 14 holding onto that. So you just loosen it up, and then you can remove the fork from the shock, and then just pull it out.
Yeah.
Out with the old, in with the new. Yep. Look how bad this is. Look at all this slack.
Patrick,
The shock is all blown. So
did you loosen it all the way?
we'll get it going. This brand new one.
Alright, so prior to recording, we were talking about adding an inch and a half from the stock, but looking to see how there's like no preload or no nothing on the shocks, we're gonna just throw them in and hope to see that We're gonna see how well it fits, and from there we're gonna adjust it. But right now we're just gonna make sure they're both even on both sides, pretty even, leveled. All right, and we're just gonna throw it back in the car, drop it, and see how it fits.
Yep.
So handy trick is throw up the coilover through the holes and socket it with your fingers just to hold it up on the thing, and then from there you're gonna push the fork into this cartridge, make sure it's all the way up, and then tighten the one down here, and then from there just tighten up the top ones and it'll be aligned.
You have access to that bad boy right there. They should be, yeah. These ones have it. They're 14s. Take them out. That same process. We'll show you the process. I'm not sure about the bottom ones. If they're the same as the front.
Look at them.
But I'll take these things out.
Yeah, it's just another bowl on the bottom and it just comes out. Done.
We getting this build done, baby. You feel me?
On the boys.
We about to make this shit quick, fast. We about to fucking destroy supercars up in this bitch. Get it right now. This is for my boy Alex. Is gonna get it. Oh, you're not recording?
I am recording.
Alex, once you get a Jaguar, bro, you're gonna get smoked. That's all I gotta say. These ones are actually pretty tight. These ones fit okay. The ones in the front, they're gone. So we have one bolt here, which is no, it's a 14 actually. Yeah, okay. 14 on top for the two, the top part, the top mount, and then for the bottom one that goes on this lower control. 14, get it out, boom, you're good.
Bada bing, bada boom. Knock it out. Get dirty.
Look at this monkey. So you gotta apply pressure on the disc, on the hub, to drop it down. So you have a little more slack to pull it off. I would be helping him, but you got it. You got it. Yeah.
Alright guys, the key is to work smarter, not harder. There's two bolts right there. Holding whatever this shit is.
Yeah.
Just take them off and then push down on your spindle and then this should just come out. Okay? There you go. Get that sucker out.
I mean.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get on actually we're gonna have the first drive with Patrick's coilovers. Still no sway bars. But you didn't scrape that bad actually.
Yeah, but I felt the tires like kind of rubbing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how it feels. Woo!
That's my engine
Okay.
lights.
Okay. It's actually pretty smooth.
Right?
You can daily this. Easy. Not too shabby. This is the test right here. Oh, that's fine.
Oh, okay. Barely adjusted.
It works. It's stiff enough. It's stiff enough. Definitely. Dude, your shocks are
It's-
fucking blown for sure. This is good.
Oh, it's the boys.
Feels nice. Feels smooth. It's not too bumpy. Not jumpy at all. Actually, pretty
That's
comparable.
actually pretty good.
It's not even what's it called?
Way better than the
Adjustable.
freaking other ones.
It works.
Oh shit, that couple's looking at me, bro. I think that's the
He
pedal.
saw me with the phone up. That's why.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm vlogging. We have evidence. It's
Yeah.
okay. It's all
Yeah.
good.
Oh, I know where I'm gonna go.
Oh. Alright, well that concludes our video on the function and form coilover install on the DC2/DC4 Integra. Same chassis. That's it, man. Looks good. It's raised, it's not slammed anymore. It drives well. What can you...
Good daily driver for now until this motherfucker becomes a race car. So, yeah, I think that's it.
You can't ask for more, man.
Exactly.
Thank you for watching AP Garages. This is Austin.
I'm Patrick.
And go get dirty.